Okay, guys. Look at my money. Just look at that. Bro, how do I have this much? Anyway, I just found this rare coin outside. And I believe that it's rare. Why is the screen shaking? Oh yeah, I forgot. This is my old phone. Anyway, Savings Challenge 2025. Okay, so I'm gonna cut this video and then we are gonna show every bill or coin except for the 1,500. Only new 500. It's because of I don't have those. We'll start at the 500. The screen is shaking violently because this is an old phone. Anyway, here's the new 500. Okay? And this is the 200. And what? Okay, this is the 100 that has a little bit of blue, and VJ2000 is the serial number. Next! Oh, I forgot about this. Sorry. It's half bitten. But why is the screen shaking violently again? Oh, yeah. This is an old phone. I forgot. Next! I have no 100, so I have this instead. Okay, next. There we go. I transformed it into a 50. Okay, so the next one is gonna be this thingy. Okay? So we'll go to the next one. Obviously, you know it already. It is the Pope. How am I even doing this? Anyway, we'll do another video for the coins. And this is the 20 bill. Okay, now, this is the 20 bill. Anyway, goodbye. The next video is gonna be the coins.